How to log into Sweet Wallet account. To log into your Sweet Wallet account, simply follow these steps. Firstly, download the Sweet Wallet app from the App Store in iOS or Google Play Store in Android if you don't already have it installed. Once installed, simply launch the app on a device. Now, in this screen, you can see continue with Apple or other methods option available there. My Sweet Wallet account has not been logged in with Apple, so I'm continuing with the other methods. So, if your account has any username or email address, then simply tap on the username option at the top and enter your email address. But here I'm continuing with my Google account. Now tap on the Google account you logged your Sweet Wallet with and tap on the continue option available there. Now you will be successfully logged into your Sweet Wallet. But if you had used email or password, then type down the email and password at the top of the screen and log in using it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.